Do you love sleeping? If so, then you will love this strategy. Recently, I started thinking about new ways people can start making money online while they're actually not doing any work. In effect, getting paid while sleeping. And as things turned out, it's actually possible. And I came across several platforms you've never seen before that I will share with you in this video. If you put in the work now and try your best to make this work, then chances are you'll be able to make this work and set up this autopilot system to make you cash in the long run. However, in case you're lazy, don't want to watch the entire video, and don't even want to do any work, then I promise you that this will not work. So please, guys, make sure you first watch this video through to the end, and then put in the work so you can set this up properly and start making money online for the very first time. And with that said, let's now get right into this tutorial. As you've all heard me say, today I have a passive income strategy to share, and it's a quite unique one. Even though I do have my fair share of passive income strategies, this is not like the other ones you've seen before. The very first step you'll now need to undertake, guys, is find something to promote. And for this, you can use Google or some of the established affiliate marketplaces like Digistore or ClickBank. For the purposes of this video, however, I will be focusing on one type of website you'll want to promote that I think would be extremely worthwhile: VPNs. For those oblivious, as you can see on this page here, the main purpose of a VPN is to hide your online activity. VPNs are often used to guard against hackers and snoops on public networks, but they're also useful for hiding your IP address, browsing activity, and personal data on any Wi Fi network, even at home. So, in effect, they are tools that help protect you against hackers. And it's for that very reason that I recommend you promote VPN websites as an affiliate. They are getting more and more popular nowadays, with people wanting to secure their data from hackers. This makes them ideal for you as an affiliate to promote because it means you have a large customer pool. After all, you need something that many people don't have but would need and want to have, and VPNs are perfect in that particular case. So, what you'll want to do here, guys, now is find a good VPN affiliate program. And for this, you can just use Google and you'll be able to find quite a few good ones. The one I found personally that I would highly recommend is a site called tunnelbear.com. It offers a fantastic affiliate program and is a great website overall. But of course, you can go for any site you prefer. Now, what you'll have to do is sign up as an affiliate, not a customer. And in like 80% of the cases, to access the affiliate page, you'll have to first scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and then you'll be able to see something like affiliate, affiliate program, affiliates, and so on. In this case, it says affiliate, and you'll now want to click on that. From there, you'll now be taken over to the affiliate page where you'll be able to see all of the features of their affiliate program, and you'll be able to sign up by clicking on this button here. After which, as usual, you'll have to type in a bunch of your information like email address, password, and so on. And by the way, for those of you who were wondering, you can see right here that this website works worldwide, as all of these different countries are accepted. So it does work no matter where you're from. Anyways, with that done, now comes the really important part: getting traffic to your affiliate link. And there are tons of ways you can do it, but in this tutorial, I will show you one that is incredibly powerful: through the use of native ads. First things first, though, what are native ads? As their name suggests, they are ads that are made in such a way as to look natural on the website, and that makes them really powerful. If you are on some site and you see something on the side that looks like an ad, you for sure won't click on it most of the time. But if there are ads that don't look like ads at all, a lot more people will actually click on them. A great website you can see that uses native ads is actually MSN.com. It's a news website, and many news websites do use native ads. You can see the ad right over here on the page, and as you can see, it's perfectly integrated with the flow on the page. It doesn't stick out, and that actually leads to more people clicking on it. And you guys would indeed want to try and get use out of native ads. But you, of course, need a website for that, and I have the perfect one for you called revcontent.com. This is one of the best websites you can find for native ads, and they are really cheap. This I haven't really mentioned, but it's extremely important. No, you won't be investing like hundreds of dollars for advertisement. That actually couldn't be farther from the truth. They are very, very cheap, and you can get a lot of bang for your buck, so to speak. Meanwhile, if you went and paid for other types of ads, they would cost a lot more money and probably wouldn't get you any more sales. To be able to advertise, though, you'll first need an account. And to create one, first click on Get Started Today right here, and then on the next page, type in all of this info about yourself, starting with the website you want to get traffic to, and in this box, you'll paste the link of tunnelbear.com. With all of that being said, though, keep in mind, guys, that for some reason on this website, they request quite a bit of info from your side, so it'll take a little longer to sign up than usual. When you log in, though, this is how everything will now look. You'll now be able to advertise your affiliate link you got from Tunnel Bears or from some other site perhaps, and make money in total passive income doing literally nothing. What you'll have to do now is advertise yourself as follows. First, click on Campaign Boost here. Then, on the next page, type in the name of your campaign. And then select how much you will be bidding. And as you can see, per click, you are not paying a significant amount of money, only 35 cents. In here, guys, you'll type in all of your personal financial information, and how much you will be investing into this website is really up to you. The one tip I want to give you is to bid a tiny bit more money in the beginning since you're just starting out. As time goes on, though, you can reduce the amount drastically and still get clicks and purchases on your affiliate link doing nothing at all, just like I promised you in the beginning. The last piece of the puzzle that's missing is the actual ad image. So, what will be displayed to users? And depending on what you are promoting, you'll find such an image online. A website I highly recommend for that purpose is, as always, pexels.com. In my case here, I would want to type in something like hacker, and it would display the perfect images I can use for my new ad. And you can download them for free too, after which you'll be able to set up your campaign and get paid again and again passively. It's as easy as that. If you enjoyed this video and you want to support my channel, there's no better way of doing so than leaving a like down below. It really helps a ton and motivates me to keep uploading more videos for you guys. And in case some of you want to check out some other strategies, perhaps you don't want anything related to affiliate marketing, make sure you click on one of the two videos that'll pop up any second now. Chances are you'll like them too. Since new videos are being uploaded on this channel on literally a daily basis, you should do yourselves a favor and subscribe, as well as hit that bell icon so you get a notification whenever a new video goes live. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll be seeing you in some of the next videos.